Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation from Pittman Shorthand New Course Book. Exercise number 31. Start. Number 1. It will assist me if you will make up an itemized list of all the stock we have in the store. Full stop. Number 2. The list should also state the cost of each item. Full stop. Number 3. Although our costs are high, we have always refused to lessen the value of our service. Full stop. Number 4. Honest values assists our firm to keep its customers, and also to secure new buyers. Full stop. Number 5. Our silk may be subjected to any taste you may wish to make. Full stop. Number 6. We think your first step should be to stop waste as fast as you can. Full stop. We suggest adjusting your charges as the next step. Full stop. Number 7. Our sales this year already exceed all of our sales for last year. Full stop. Number 8. Although you invoiced the steel posts to us last month, we are still having to make do with stone posts. Full stop. Number 9. Your failure to get them to us on time has caused a big upset in the schedule, and has cost a large sum of money. Full stop. Number 10. We shall do our best to influence him to cancel the debt. Full stop. Number 11. In the past we have used this style of pencil, and we know it will be alright for your purpose. Full stop. Number 12. Almost all types of stencils have a mark to show when you reach the bottom of the page. Full stop.